All right, my awesome fifth graders. So we are going to look a little bit at your next math task. So what I have in front of me right here is a coordinate grid. So it can look like this, where it's just one side with positive numbers going this way and positive numbers going up. Or there can be a coordinate grid where it looks like this. We have positive numbers, we have negative numbers, we have positive numbers, and we have negative numbers. So these are two different ways that you're going to get to look at a coordinate grid when you are trying to find points. So you're going to go in your classwork, and when you do that, you're going to click on your Khan Academy. It's going to take you to this page. I want you just to look at this coordinate grid that we have here. This video is something you're expected to watch. This right here is what we call coordinates. We call them our x and we call them our y coordinates. What you need to remember that's super important is when you have this coordinate, you always go over and then you go up. So for this coordinate right here, I would go start at my 0, 0, and I would go over 3 and I would go up 5. And this is where my dot would go when I find that place value. So when you're doing this today and you're reading this today and tomorrow, you are required to do all of these different activities. So it's working with just one quadrant, and then it's also working with quadrants that look like this, and you have 4 different ones. So when you're done doing that Khan Academy and you go back to your homework, there are 2 games that you can play here. Please make sure you do them and practice and understand what a coordinate is, how you get there. Remember, you always go over and then you go up. So please take your time on this for the next couple days. Rock it, okay, guys?